G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Today's video is about the SilverAnt Ultralight Leakproof titanium container. They let me know about this a few weeks ago before they put it up on their website. Now this one is the sandblasted version, and you can also get them in the crystallized version. Now I don't have the crystallized version, I have the sandblasted one. Let me show you what the actual crystallized is. This is my coffee mug from SilverAnt. That's quite specky, isn't it? Hey. So we'll go through this now, and then I'll explain to you why I like it. Milliliters is 280 milliliters it will carry, which is 9.47 fluid ounces. It weighs in at 83 grams, which is 2.93 ounces. Measurement across the lid here is 73 millimeters, which is 2.87 inches. Measurement across the bottom is 82 millimeters, which is 3.23 inches, and top to bottom is 83 millimeters, which is 3.27 inches. Now, I've got a smaller container which came with their titanium coffee press kit with cup and container. So there's the cup, there's the coffee press kit, and that one has only got a 160 milliliter capacity, which is 5.63 fluid ounces. I've got it written down so I'll make sure I get all of this right. Now I got two of these, and that gives me options. So, and like I said, we'll get to that shortly. The lid here, simple on off, a definite fit and seal on it. No a lot of threads like you get on others. I'll show you on here. We've only got 1, 2, 3 actual wind down points, if you want to call it that, on the lid itself, which goes on to 1, 2, 3 on the container. The inside has got a nice silicone sealer there, which makes it waterproof and airtight. Now I do like that, and the reason I like that, I use ground coffee, so I've got an option to carry my coffee in here, and that's going to seal it, make it airtight, which means the ground coffee is going to be fresher for longer. Let's get this back on. That's it. The other one is identical. The sandblast, I've got the bag inside which they come in. So I've got options then to have coffee in there, and I can carry my tea in this one and keep it sealed. Now that's not the only options for using these. You can carry food in them. So let's use the one without stuff in it. You carry liquids like soups or broth, or your milk or your cream, or if you wanted to, you could make yourself a coffee if you don't have a cup and drink it out of this. You are able to heat your food up in these, but you need to take the lid off first because of that silicone sealer inside the lid, or that will get damaged with the heat of the flames. That is, not the heat of the drinks or your soup. Yep, you can carry your soup in here, seal it, put it in your pack, go for your walk, get your burner or your stove, like that, take the lid off, put this on and warm your soup back up. Great idea. So the reasons I like this then, one, it means I can carry more coffee with me when I go bushwalking doing multi-days. So instead of only having one coffee a day by carrying this one, I can use that. And excuse me, and that'll enable me to have 2 coffees a day. So for 4 or 5 day hike. So that's a thumbs up. And weight wise, what did I say the weight was? 83 grams or 2.93 ounces. That's very little, especially for one that's airtight and watertight. So that now goes with that. So if the wife wanted to come out and we could take a soup each, or if I go out my own, I could take coffee in one, tea in the other, cream or coffee in one, or tea in this one, cream in that one, coffee in that one. I'm sorted for my coffees for, what's that, 83 for less than 200 grams in containers. Or I could use it for my car camping or just for an overnighter. So it's your choice whether you don't mind carrying that little bit extra weight, because that's all it is a tiny bit extra weight for a lot more convenience. Let's say a better night out, more pleasurable. You don't have to rough it anymore. So that is a nice addition, these two, to my coffee press kit with cup and small container. Then my multi-fuel stove and cup kit. All these are from SilverAnt. Or what else have I got? Oh yeah, that's right. I got the gas stove. So I've got options there. And of course, which I use a lot for work and just general carrying around, my coffee mug from them, which is a thermos one, which is going to keep your coffee hotter for a lot longer. There is videos on all the rest of this on my channel going back, and there's a playlist also. So if you just wanted to look at the SilverAnt, click on the playlist and watch them through. So there's my SilverAnt collection building up. Convenience it gives me, like I said, I can just grab one stove. Okay, I just want to use that to heat my water up and have a coffee I want to. Or if I want a quiet one, I can use the alcohol stove. There's a little kit there, so I don't have to hear any noise of the gas going. Or the other option is take them all. Simple, very little weight, very convenient. So I hope you've enjoyed the video and seen how good these are and how useful they can be. And if you're not a subscriber, please go down below and click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell and select all. Hit the thumbs up button, the like button. And if you are already a subscriber, again, I thank you very much.